Got an Android app on Google Play? Want to promote or sell it from your Shopify store? In this video, I will show you how to add your Google Play app, like a link to your Shopify store, fast, easy, and beginner friendly. Go to Google Play Store, search for app, uh, then copy the URL, like for example, like Discord. Copy the link like that. Now that you have got your app link, let's embed to your Shopify store. From Shopify store, log into your Shopify dashboard with your credentials. Enter your email address, then follow the process. Then enter your password. Now, once you are in, click on Products tab from the left sidebar. Then click Add Product. Title it something like Download Our App. In the description box, write a call to action like download our mobile app from Google Play Store. Play for exclusive features. Highlight the text. Use your color like that. And then paste your Google URL here. Then upload your app's image. Set price 0 or free. If it's international, add an app icon or screenshot as the product image and click save. Then you can alternatively you can go to online store, then go to pages section, then add page, paste your Google URL link some with some description and an picture, then title our mobile app, and this page your main menu or footer via navigation. Want to make it look more professional? Use the official Google Play badges. Go to Google's official badges generator, then download the badge in Shopify editor. Insert the image into the product page, your product or page. Link the image to your app's URL. Go to online store, then themes, then customize, add new section, and choose image with text from here. then add the pages and app link here. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.